Hi everyone, this is Ma'am Flor. Today I'll be discussing perfect cubes and cube roots. For example, you were given a number 2 multiplied by another 2 and again multiplied by another 2. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, we get 8. So we can rewrite this 2, yung tatlong minultiply, as 2 to the third power or 2 cube. Okay? 2 cube is equal to 8. So 8 is called perfect cube. Bakit perfect cube? Kasi when we say perfect cube, it is defined as a polynomial multiplied by itself 3 times. So kung yung number minultiply mo 3 times, yung product nun, which is 8, yun ang tawag doon ay perfect cube. Ngayon, gawin naman natin sa variable. X times X times X. So, tatlong variable. So, i-multiply natin. Ano bang rule natin pag nag-multiply tayo ng variable? Una, kokopyahin mo lang yung variable. And then, anong gagawin sa exponent? Ang ibig sabihin nito, kahit x, walang nakasulat na exponent, meron niyang value, which is 1. Dito rin 1, dito rin ay 1. Una, copy yung variable, then i-add natin lahat ng exponent. So, copy the variable, ilan ang sum ng exponent? That would give us 3. So, ang perfect cube dito ay yung x cube. X cube is a perfect cube. Okay, gawin naman natin. Kung ang given natin ay 2x multiplied by 2x multiplied by 2x, ano kaya sagot? We have 8x cubed. Paano nangyari yun? Ganito lang, uunahin nyo lang munang multiply lahat ng numerical value, yung number na nasa harap ng variable. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2, that would give us 8. Next, yung x times x times x, isusulat mo lang yung variable and then i-add mo lahat ng exponent. 1, ito ay 1, that is 1, 2, 3. So, 3. Tama? So, yung 8x cube at x cube ay lahat ang tawag dito. Perfect cube of a number. Ano ba yung perfect cube ng number? So, when we say perfect cube of a number, it is the result of multiplying a number 3 times by itself. Yung number mo, multiply mo 3 beses sa kanyang sarili, that would give us perfect cube ng number. So, here are the example of perfect cube. So, makikita nyo dito, yung 1, kapag minultiply 3 times by itself, ang sagot is 1. So, yung 2 times 2 times 2, yung kaninang sinagutan natin, that would give us 8. 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. 5 times 5 times 5, 125. Okay, 6 cube or 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, we have 216. 7 cube, we have 343. 8 cube, we have 512. 9 cube, we have 729. And 10 cube, which is 10 times 10 times 10, that would give us 1,000. So, yung perfect cube natin, yung 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, at 512, 729, and 1,000, these are all perfect cubes. So, kailangan kabisado nyo itong mga perfect cube ng number. Now, we have here perfect cube of a variable. Meron ba tayong perfect cube ng variable? Yes. All you have to do is look for the exponent. Kailangan ang exponent ng perfect cube ay divisible by 3. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Pwedeng ma-divide sa 3. No? So, tingnan natin ang mga exponent nito. Yung x times x times x, pag minultiply natin, that is x cube. Ito may exponent na 1, 1, at 1. Dito naman, x squared times x squared, no, times x squared. We have here x to the 6th power. Inad lang natin yung 6, 2, 4, 6. Dito, x cube times x cube times x cube. We have here x to the 9th power. X to the 4th times x to the 4th times x to the 4th. We have here x to the 12th power. X to the 5th times x to the 5th times x to the 5th, we have here x to the 15th power. And lastly, we have x to the 6th times x to the 6th times x to the 6th. 6 plus 6 plus 6, we have 80. So, x to the 18th power. So, lahat ng mga exponent na pwedeng i-divide mo sa 3, basta ba di-divide yung exponent sa 3, ang tawag to ay perfect cube. Malinaw? Next, let us have a quick review. Ano nga ba yung cube root? So, a cube root, the cube root of 64 equals 4. So, paano ba isusulat ito? So, tandaan lang natin, ito yung radical sign natin. Mapapansin mo sa radical sign natin may nakasulat na 3. Bakit? Kasi nga cube, no? So, cube root ng 64 equals 4. Bakit? Kasi if you multiply 4 times 4 times 4, that would give us 64. So, kunin mo, no? Kunin mo yung square root nito, no? Kunin mo yung cube root nito, ang sagot natin, that would give us 4. Next, ano ba yung mga cube root ng mga number? So, ano ba yung mga halimbawa ng mga cube roots na to? So, dito, mga kukunin lang natin yung mga positive cube root, ha? Okay, the cube root of a number is the value that when cubed gives the original number. Ibig sabihin lang natin, kagaya kanina, yung 4 times 4 times 4, that would give us 64. Tama? Para makuha mo yung original number, kukunin natin yung cube root. Yun yung mga cube root ng mga number. Okay, so ito yung mga example ng mga cube root natin. No? So, cube root ng 1, that would give us 1. Cube root ng 8 ay 2. Cube root ng 27, 3. Cube root ng 64, 4. Cube root ng 125 is 5. Cube root ng 216, 6. Cube root ng 343 is 7. Cube root ng 512 is 8. Cube root ng 729, that is 9. And cube root ng 1,000, that would give us 10. So, lahat ng mga numbers na yan, lahat yan ay mga perfect cube. So, kailangan tandaan nyo kung ano yung mga perfect cube na number. Next, cube roots of a variable. Can we get yung mga cube root ng mga variable? Yes, we can. How to do it? Okay, you simply get the variable and divide its exponent by 3. For example, you were given cube root ng x cube. Gagawin mo lang, i-divide mo lang yung exponent. Ang exponent natin ay yung 3. Di ba? X cube. Ang exponent natin ay 3. I-divide mo sa index. Ano ba yung index natin? 3. O 3 divided by 3, that would give us x raised to 1. Wala naman tayong sagot ng mga x raised to 1. Simply, x lang. Okay, ito naman. Cube root ng x to the 6. Di-divide natin. 6 divided by 3, that would give us x squared. 9 divided by 3, that would give us x cubed. 12 divided by 3, that would give us x to the 4th power. And last, we have 15 divided by 3, that would give us x to the 5th power. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung mga cube root ng variable. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-divide mo lang yung exponent by 3. Okay, next. Okay, balikan lang ulit natin, no? Cube roots with variable. Okay, so, again, ito, i-divide lang natin. 3 divided by, ito, yung cube root ng x cube, 3 divided by 3, that would give us x raised to 1 or simply x. Ngayon, dagdagan natin ng may number with variable. For example, you were given cube root ng 8x cube. Ang una niyong gagawin, dapat, you have to get yung cube root ng coefficient. Okay? Pag sinabing coefficient, yung cube root nung nandun sa katabi ng variable. Di ba? Numerical coefficient yun. That is 8. Okay, kunin mo yung cube root ng 8. That would give us 2. And then, get the cube root of the variable by dividing its exponent by 3. So, ngayon, kukopyahin lang natin yung variable. Ano ba yung variable natin dito? That is x. Ngayon, kopyahin mo lang yan, tapos divide mo. Anong exponent niya? Ang exponent niya ay 3. I-divide ko sa 3. 3 divided by 3, that would give us x raised to 1. Or simply, 2x. Okay, next. How about this one naman? Cube root ng 27y to the 6th power. no? Paano gagawin? Una muna ay yung numerical value. Yung numerical value, kunin yung cube root ng 27, that would give us 3. And then, proceed tayo do sa variable, which is y to the 6. Tingnan mo yung exponent niya. Ang exponent niya ay 6, i-divide mo dun sa index, which is 3. 6 divided by 3, that would give us x squared. So, this would be our answer. Next, we have here 125, or rather cube root of 125, a to the 6, b to the 9th power. Ganun din ang gagawin. Unahin natin yung numerical value. Cube root ng 125, that would give us 5. And then, kunin mo yung variable. Ayun na, a yung variable. I-divide mo lang yung exponent, which is 6, divided by 3. That is a squared. Next, dito naman, anong exponent niya? B. And then, divide natin. 9 divided by 3. That would give us b to the 3rd power. So, that would be our cube roots na merong with variable and of course, yung mga coefficient na kasama. Okay, para mas lalo nyong maintindihan, ganito lang ang dapat nyong gawin, no? Kung meron kang number at gusto mong kunin yung cube niya, pag sinabing cube, yung i-multiply mo 3 times by itself, that would give us 8. Yung 8 dito, yung cube, yung 3 times mo na multiply by itself, ang tawag doon yun yung parang 3, no? Now, to get the original number, you must use yung, cube root, no? Ano yung cube root ng 8, no? Para makuha yung original number or yung root, that would be yung original number, ang gagamitin mo ay cube root ng 8. That would give us 2.